Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, December 28th. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the totes. I've already looked at the daikon radishes, they haven't changed much, but let's take a look under the lettuce and the arugula totes. When it started to snow, it pushed down the hay we had up around these, so they were a little more exposed than I wanted them to. Some of it got singed a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with as cold as it got. With the wind blowing as hard as it is, unless I see something, I'm going to go ahead and leave these covered. Nope, nothing sprouting in this one yet. The radishes that we had sprouted in this one got singed a little bit. I don't think we have anything else coming up yet. After looking under a couple, and with this wind blowing as hard as it is, I think it's a fool's errand to go ahead and open anything else up. We really don't have anything sprouting. They're just going to have leaves blow in and cover them up, and I don't want that right now. We'll just go ahead and leave these little mini greenhouses to germinate those. And for right now, we'll just take a look at what we already got coming up. And what's that old saying, Oklahoma, where the wind comes sweeping down the plain and the waving wheat is on my straw bales. So it still hadn't warmed up that much. It's about 50 degrees right now. It's going to be about 60 degrees tomorrow afternoon. I'm just a little too anxious to see things sprout. It's only been a few days, and the snow just melted today. And we still got ice here and there. Chunk of ice. So it's still a little early. We'll take a little close up at the kohlrabi, and right up next to them. And we got beets with their true leaves coming on. One thing the garden will teach you is patience. And sometimes I try to get a little ahead of myself. But I'm confident a lot of this stuff will sprout and grow. We'll just have to wait and see what we get. Once we hit that shortest day of the year, time starts speeding up really quickly. It's already staying light past 5:30. Spring is on its way. We're going to have a couple little cold snaps between now and then. So we'll just keep the plastic out here. We'll be ready. You can do this too. I do want to thank you for stopping by the garden on the first warm day after the blizzard. And if you want to see what we planted in December, click that link right there, and I'll meet you right back here in the garden. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.